Magikarp, come on. Come on, say it with me, guys. Magikarp. All right. Come on, baby. Come on. We need a smasher. All right, here we go. Last pack hopefulness here. Quaxley, Charcadet, Reller, Tadbold, Mavistiff, Quaxwell, Seguro, Misdreavus. Holy fucking shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Please tell me you guys are in here. Did you just see that? Oh my god. Holy shit. Bro. Holy shit. Oh my god, it's so off center, but holy shit. Wow. Oh my god, bro. I'm like sweating right now. Holy shit. How, what? But out of a booster pack for what? Dude, this is crazy, guys. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy cow. I was just going to get up and go grab my other one. Thanks, Ryan. Oh, you're right, Brecken. Hang on. We got it. Guys, get yourself a super rod. Oh, let's not forget our other fishy. Holy cow, man. Holy cow.